Guys, all right, she's looking pretty good. All right, so we also have our package showed up today, and let's go ahead and do the unboxing of that, and let's check it out, see what we got. All right, shout out to Jermaine October Excess and GarageLine. And that's some pretty cool people, but he's definitely one of the ones. We'll get to that story another time, but shout out to this man here, getting me right. Get these spacers on here and with some braking power. Definitely read the instructions, guys. He put it in there for a reason. Some people don't know how to pay attention, but yep, of course. All right. Ah, garage line. Love it. Love it. You know, it's all about presentation. Nicely boxed up. Oh, oh yeah. Oh, okay. Let's go ahead and put all the new spacers on. Garage line. Right now, this is just a test fit, just to make sure that we're clear. You know, just to make sure the spacing is good. I believe my math is correct, but you know what, man? Sometimes you never know, right? So remember, when you're getting these all on and you're all done completely, follow the directions. He tells you to torque them. You know, no sense in not paying attention. So let's go ahead and try these wheels on. I'm raw dogging these, but oh yeah, oh yeah, super happy. Oh, oh yeah, super happy. I think that's a win. That is a win. Let's go ahead and throw a sock on it, lug on there, and verify. All right. Let's see here. Uh, Bring it down on the lift, and it's a little wide. Just a little. It's manageable, but I'm not going to pull the fenders or anything like that. I think I'm going to just roll with it, and it's looking pretty good though. Um, yeah, I'm pleased with it, and put the spacers in the back, and I think that's what we're going to call it on this video. Thanks for hanging out, guys, and check out the next video. See you then.